Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork gyoza updated. Start by preparing all ingredients and tools so assembly goes smoothly. Use cold water to help seal wrappers and press edges tightly with your finger to prevent leaks. Pan fry until bottoms are golden, then steam with a splash of water to finish cooking through. Serve hot with a tangy dipping sauce for best flavor and texture. Keep your filling flavorful but balanced so the gyoza tastes great without overpowering the wrapper. Chop ingredients uniformly for even cooking and an attractive bite. Squeeze cabbage well to remove water that could dilute flavor and make dumplings soggy. Test one gyoza first to check seasoning, then adjust soy or salt as needed. Chill the filling briefly if it feels too warm before wrapping to help it hold. Assemble gyoza on a lightly floured surface and avoid overfilling to prevent bursting in the pan. Learn a simple pleating method that creates a tight seal and an appealing crescent shape. Fry in oil until the bottoms are deeply golden, then add water and cover to steam, allowing internal temperature to reach a safe level. Remove the lid and let excess moisture evaporate so you keep crisp bottoms and tender tops for perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.